So we start off today's video with one of the best hair transformations that I have seen in a while. So she has super long hair, and yes, she gets this full volumized retro style pixie. Very 90s inspired. Absolutely loving the shape, texture, and the color. What a hair change. And then we move on to someone who has super long hair, probably tailbone length or so. The hair is braided into a long braid. And yes, she also decided to get a pixie. Two amazing long to short transformations. I absolutely love it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. If you do feel inspired by any of these hair options, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we move on to the next big transformation. So she also has pretty long waist-length hair, and she has decided to switch it up to this shoulder-length bob haircuts. Gorgeous. I love to see the women going from super long hair to short and chic. So moving right along, we have someone who has about mid-back length hair, and it looks like she is going to be getting another mid-length bob, shoulder-length bob style. Oh, I love the amount of fullness that this has. Her hair is so thick and beautiful. Really creating a gorgeous bob. And this one does feature hair a tad bit longer in the front. But nothing too drastic or dramatic. Beautiful transformation. So next up we see someone with mid-length hair. Looks like she's also going to be getting a bob. Beautiful bob style, nice, classic, and effortless. Gorgeous. And then we move on to someone who has shoulder-length hair. The stylist cuts the hair into more of a bob shape. Wow, really beautiful asymmetrical bob style. This is absolutely stunning. I love the little bit of waves that they added for a tousled effect as well. Keeping it more tousled on one side and straight on the other really just added some overall interest to the cut. So then we see someone else with mid-length hair. Looks like she's also going to be getting a bob. Seems like this video is filled of bob and pixie haircuts. Gorgeous. Her bob came to around shoulder length. Another great simplistic classic bob style. So then we move on to someone who has long hair placed in a ponytail. And the stylist does a really pretty angled bob for this one. Longer hair in the front, shorter in the back. Gorgeous. So for this transformation, we have someone who decided to go short with a pixie style. Followed by another beautiful bob. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.